How to create account on Ring application. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create account on your Ring application. For that, make sure you have downloaded Ring application on your device. Once downloaded, open the application on your device and you will reach to this interface. Here you will find create account option. Click on it. Here you'll have to enter your first and last name. Then click on this continue button. Choose the country you live in and then click on continue. Here in these boxes, you will have to enter your email address. After entering it, click on this continue button below and create a strong password here. Make sure your password meets the criteria of at least 8 characters, including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, and others. Note that you shouldn't include your first, last name or the email username here. After entering the password, again enter your password in another box. Make sure you enter the correct password in these boxes. After that, click on this create account button below. Wait for a while and verify that you are not a robot here. Click on verify. Complete this to verify you are a real person. After completing it, your verification will be successful and after a while, you will see you have successfully created account on Ring application. A message will be sent to your email address to activate your account. Once you receive the email, go to the email and here you will have to verify your email address. Click on this verify now option and there you have it. You have successfully created account on Ring application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.